In this support video, we will be replacing the tension chain for all 30 and 36-inch French door models. The tools needed are a 10mm wrench and a star-shaped screwdriver. Before we begin, disconnect the gas line or power cord. Pull and remove all the front control knobs. Unscrew and remove all the knob rings. Your range model may differ from the one shown here, but the process will be the same. If your range has illuminated lights, disconnect the wires. Open the French doors and remove all the screws holding the control panel. Certain models have additional screws just above the knob rings that need to be removed. In this model, there isn't any. Gently remove the control panel and rest it on the French doors. The French door operation mechanism is located just under the front controls. We will completely remove the front panel. Disconnect the wires going to the control panel. Your range model may differ from the one shown here. It's also best to remember the wire connection location for easier reassembly. Remove the control panel completely. The assembly train for the French doors is now exposed. To loosen and remove the chain, we will need to turn the two middle bars on both ends. On the right side door, turn downwards to loosen the chain. On the left side door, turn upwards to loosen the chain. Keep turning the metal bar until it detaches from the chain. Gently remove the chain. With your new chain, guide it into the top opening and slide to the opposite side. Place the chain to its proper holding. It's best to have about 5 or 6 lengths of leeway. As you place the chain, it needs to be crisscrossed. Adjust the chain on the other end. Fasten the chain on the right door by turning the metal bar upwards. On the left door, the metal bar needs to turn downwards to tighten. It will take a few adjustments and trials to properly close the French doors. The left side French door has a supported seal that must rest on the right side French door seal. As you close the French door, the left side seal will overlap on top of the right side French door seal. This method will ensure easy opening and closing. It's also recommended to grease your chain. Once you are satisfied and comfortable with the door operation, place back the control panel and attach all the wires. As you place back the control panel, be careful not to get any grease on the wires. Place back the control panel. Reattach the knob rings wiring if your model is equipped with one. Screw back the knob rings, making sure the black mark is facing upwards. Screw back the control panel. Place back the knobs. This completes the tension chain installation.